Is how to fix error. An administrator has blocked you from running this app in Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you are facing such issue to opening any files or programs, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is go to Task Manager and disable your third-party antivirus running in your system. Go to Startup tabs, apps, and locate your third-party antivirus. Here, for example, we will choose Security Health and click on Disable. If you are using any other software, then disable that. The second workaround is go to Windows Search, type a smart screen and open app and browser control. Here go to reputation based protection settings and disable a smart screen for Microsoft Edge. The next workaround to fix this issue is go to that file which having problem, right click on it, choose properties and make the check against option unblock and press apply, then OK to save the changes. The next workaround to fix this issue is go to Windows Search, type group gpedit.msc to open local group policy editor and from the left pane under computer configuration expand Windows settings, thereafter expand security settings and expand local policies and select security options. Thereafter go to right side and look for user account control, run all administrators in Adam approval mode. Apply, double click on it and choose disable. Apply and OK to save the changes. That's all.